Good morning, students. Today we are starting the new topic, that is quadratic equations. Before we start the quadratic equation, let's understand the quadratic equation is what is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Meaning by the highest power should be 2 and equation should be equal to 0. Then only it is a quadratic equation, like ax square plus bx plus c. It is not a quadratic equation. 2x square plus 3x is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. 4x square plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. 3x cube plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation. So the highest power should be 2 and equation should be equal to 0. As we have already done in the linear equation, polynomial, that how many zeros or the roots or the value of x will get. When the highest power is 2, obviously we will get 2 zeros. Now let's check first. Question number 1. Check whether x plus 1 raised to the power 2 is equal to 2x minus 3 is a quadratic equation. We have to check. So first of all, we'll simplify. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 2x minus 6. So x square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. So it is x square plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation because it satisfies the rules of a quadratic equation. The highest power is 2 and equation is equal to 0. Now the second question comes to us is we have to check whether the given values are the roots of this equation or not. Like, check x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3 are roots or the values of 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we'll substitute the value. Case 1 is when x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 6 into minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So 6 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 2. This is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is a root of quadratic equation, right? So second value is case 2 when x is equal to 2 by 3. So equation was 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Substituting value, 6 into 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. That should be equal to 0. So 6 into 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 should be equal to 0. 3, 2, 3. 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 should be equal to 0. 6, 3 is the LCM. 8 minus 2 minus 6, which is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 3 is also value or the root or the solution of equation. Second part of this is where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, it is given, and equation is 3x square minus 2mx plus 2n is equal to 0. Find the value of m and n. This we have already done in class 9th. Case 1, when x is equal to 2, substituting the value in equation was 3 into 2 raised to the power 2, 2m into 2 plus 2n is equal to 0, 12 minus 4m plus 2n is equal to 0, or 4m minus 2n is equal to 12 divided by 2, so 2m minus n is equal to 12. This is equation number 1. Second equation will be case 2, when x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. So substituting in 3 into 3 raised to the power 2 minus 2m into 3 plus 2m is equal to 0. 3 3 is 9. 18 minus 6m plus 2n is equal to 0. So this will be 6m minus 2n is equal to 18, or 3m minus n is equal to. So first equation was 2m minus n is equal to 12. So now we can eliminate minus plus minus. This is cancelled. This will be m is equal to this was 6 divided, and this was 27. This will be so first equation was 2m minus n is equal to 6. Second was 6m minus 2n is equal to minus 27. Right, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Multiplying this equation by 2, this will be 4m minus 2n is equal to 12. 6m minus 2n is equal to 27. Minus plus minus, this is cancelled. This will be 2m minus 2m is equal to minus 15. M is equal to 15 by 2. This is our first answer. Now we have to find the value of n. We can substitute in any equation. 2m minus n is equal to 6. Substituting m is equal to 15 by 2. So 2 into 15 by 2 minus n is equal to 6. So 15 minus 6 is equal to n. So n is equal to 9. So this is the second equation. This was how you have to find the value. Now the third part in this is how to solve or how to get the value of quadratic equation, or how to find the roots. How to find roots. Roots means value. How to find the roots of equation. So today it's very simple. X squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Find roots. Find roots means find the value of x. Today which formula we are going to discuss, that is the factorization method. So simple, x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. x is common, x minus 5 plus 2, x minus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 5, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So ninth class we have done how to find the zeros, or how to find, that means x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. The first value will be x is equal to 5 or second value is equal to minus 2. Both are the answers because we are doing the quadratic equation. If any condition is given to us in a question, then we have to give the answer according to the situation. Like if it is given x belongs to natural number, so then answer will be x is equal to 5 because minus 2 is the not a natural number. So while solving the sum, you have to be careful. You have to see that what is given to us. Second question, 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Solution, 2x square 12 plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x is common, x plus 2 minus 3 is common, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 2, so 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to minus 2 or 2x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 by 2. So these are the two solution, root or value of the equation. Next sum is under root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So again sum is 7 and product is 5 2s are 10. So under root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Out of this nothing is common, x only, under root 2x plus 5 plus, from here 2 and under root 2 is common, under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, under root 2x plus 5 and x plus under root 2 is equal to 0. From under root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, so under root 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 or x is equal to minus under root 2. One value is this, second is this, but in a second value we can further solve this, or it will be minus 5 by root 2 into, we will rationalize it, minus 5 root 2 by 2. So that will be our final answer. So that is what we have to do till today, and I hope that you have understood, because there is nothing difficult in this. You have already done in class 9th as well as in class 10th while doing the polynomials. So you will do the, I'll assign some work, you will do the work, and the next day we'll do further more sums based upon the factorization. And till then, okay, thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you. बकवास नहीं करता रहा मैं.